Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Khynnah pule ke Skul Pine Mount haba ai jingkren shakila pathai khubor hakabe dei bat ka jing long jing man hapo ke skul ki lapan pau ka jing benyau bat Ïathuh ya ka jing e bakiman nadu ki madan yale kai ki Jaka shong ni ki ben habadan ka jing snew omdan bapet ban pen bhai ya ki Shushu kila ong bakim yo lat ru banya shembenta ha ki program ba pher hapo skul ni wat Shabar ru kumju
No water, no water. How was it chilling?
kabaki khamma jing e kadai halor ka jing jakhlia ka Jaka Leit bar ha kabaki lapen pau bakalong ka bajaklia hadu kata bat ka jing bom Biang ru ka ha ka ba teng kim nut chu ban penden kam ya kini ki Jaka Leit bar lat no tang ha bom bansi ki lapen pau ru bakem snau la ban pediang namarkat ke skul sarkar ki mat yakum kini ki jing e kabalakta hadu kata
people ni je ya tangga ningkong saya tangga faculty saya tangga school kong Khynnah ke toilets for example hidan kam ki toilet ke khoi marba taking khoi ki toilet ki jingpang ki babon te ka ting ban but the babon ki activities ko ki students ki ko ban participate hande babon ki pota ting dingi sha and ting ni yo ban and school buildings thank you rules especially shooting junior section kimi kiki kita thank you for the classroom lo and then
Dah aku jemput ke rumah fikir judul yang kono no ke repair work ke bakile hamne ha bahudor no ka jing dona kono ka ya
I think recently Shani in this building yes we do get new tables tambah shooting kata yang higher because middle class KG class tambah planning and new tables and chairs it's always been the same what dadang yo ru ka de setengah ru dalam kaput abun kinong ong Kemudian non komplain dia ban bikin pet dia ban check mo whether kabiang tu juga kandang pun kata but ki syuki ki beli syong tentang dan kita alami break kalau kong kita bon tu juga kandang kan bikin repair pun kita
ni kai ka tahu ke bon gini kena sekolah no kintra boleh lihat kai ke tempat
kat kong jemput minta dengan ikong ka Isna dia misi benar kami ketika madan tambah ban bukan biang itu kata kami biang ni pada just for now tengah iba kita Isna tu tak ada pun kini lepas tu kadang kecil
coba pilih ke po kerja kali Shabar judul
tingkat kadang tambah bun di por kamdan Kawit ke bombian tu tadi buat bor ke kambiang lagi books kejang khang kimlong dia kerja yang jukut ke toilet tak ada kawit bor kambiang it's very bad the condition of the toilet especially Shaju mostly the you eat at principal isipan pada kabiang hi tambah juda kami kan hamang ban ong hadu kata tengim la ban ong marba juda kami dan han contact like nas tang dan kam I want to talk about the lack of exposure that we get as students. We do not get as much exposure as we should, and the facilities of the school are also not provided as people would expect we should be getting from a government school, especially. The toilet is one of the major conditions in the school. It's very, very bad and so unhygienic. It's very difficult for students to go there regularly. Only at times when it's really, really necessary, students actually use the toilets. Other than that, most of us hardly avoid it. And yeah, and whenever there are like inter-school activities or any of that. We do get to go, but then it's always our school that lack participation. And even in school, when we have activities, these past few years have been in Paimount. We haven't had activities the entire year. It's always once in 3 years, and the last time we had concert was 2015. We haven't had concert ever since, and it's really sad because as students, we want to participate in these activities before we pass out from school, but we don't get that much.
We don't. Some of the toilets don't even have proper locks, and there's never much clean water in them. And it's sad to see because it poses a major health concern to everybody else. And I think there have been lots of cases of UTIs, especially. And I think about the extracurricular activities as well. In my years from class 4 to 10, I don't really remember participating in that many activities. We had them once in 6 months, maybe. That was just house activities. And inter-school activities, we barely had anything. So, but I just want to say that if it wasn't for the teachers, then I don't think my mom would still be where it is today.